Welcome back, and let us wrap up our lesson on integers. So, today we looked at calculations with integers. Remember, we looked at addition and subtraction of integers without a calculator. Then we looked at the properties of integers, that is the additive inverse for integers, and also the commutative and associative properties of integers. Lastly, we did some problem solving, which was solving problems in the context involving multiple operations with integers. We had our words that we were using in this lesson, and that is our integers and our additive inverse. Remember, integers were the whole numbers and negative whole numbers, and then our additive inverse was the number that you add to get to another number, to get to 0. Okay, so let's now look at the common errors or things that you should remember when you are working with integers. So, when working with multiple operations, remember to work on either side of the addition and subtraction. When we add numbers that are both positive, the answer will be positive. When we add numbers that are both negative, then the answer will be negative. When we add numbers that have different signs, we will subtract the natural numbers, and the sign of the answer will be the same as that of the integer that is furthest away from 0. When we subtract a small number from a larger number, the answer will be positive. And when we subtract a larger number from a smaller number, the answer will be negative. And lastly, when we subtract a negative number, it is the same as adding its additive inverse. And when we subtract a positive number, it is also the same as adding its additive inverse. Let's end off with a challenge. I would love to see how you answer this. An aeroplane flies 5 kilometers above ground level. It ascends by 4 kilometers and later ascends again by a further 2 kilometers. After some time, it descends by 11 kilometers. What is the position of the plane now? Will you be able to answer that? I really hope that you will. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I really did enjoy today's lesson on integers, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.